does getting rich mean? Is it becoming a millionaire or a billionaire? How to get rich and what it takes to get rich. There's no denying that each one of us dreams of winning a lottery and getting rich overnight. Are you also among them? What if you get to know the secret habits of millionaires that they follow every day? Yeah, the one that made them a millionaire. Hey everyone, Everlasting Luxury welcomes you back. In today's video, we will talk to you about the secret habits millionaires use every day to be more successful. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and stay until the end to not miss out on the 10 secret habits of a millionaire. Here we go! Number 8, stay healthy and fit. Staying healthy and fit is a crucial thing for all of the people out there on the planet. Well, how is it an excellent habit that millionaires follow? Millionaires and several successful people are health conscious. It's because they know that by being healthy, they can save the expense they would have been spending on the hospitals and other medications being unhealthy. It's interesting that by meditating and relaxing, they avoid distractions and calm their mind. Not only that, they always watch their diet and always prefer nutritious and healthy foods in adequate portions over the fatty ones. Number 7, they own a positive attitude. Positivity is the key to success. Hard work together with a positive attitude becomes highly beneficial and valuable. It is one of the roots of success. Millionaires own a positive attitude in everything they do, from investing to attaining colossal loss. Positivity and gratitude is the attire to own that millionaires and ultra-successful people boast. It's not enough to show appreciation without knowing what you're offering it for. Number 6, they own multiple income sources. Relying on a single income source is not that beneficial. Nowadays, if you are dependent on a single source of income, then you might be missing out. To attain your aim of a passive income source, you need to enlarge your sources. Discover distinct areas to work in or invest in to attain more income. That can be your part-time job or self-employment, but they will be productive when you perform it with great dedication and discipline. Number 5, they get adequate sleep. Sleep is crucial to staying healthy and fresh all day. It is okay to work longer, but never compromise your sleep. You should always sleep well, and that is how millionaires solve their complex problems in no time. Yeah, you heard it right. Millionaires do get proper sleep. They are worried about their work, but they know the importance of sleep. Even Albert Einstein preferred to attain about 8 to 10 hours of sleep a night. It helps you function correctly after resting well. Number 4, they save money in their bank. Millionaires spend less, and for that, they invest their money in saving. They hold their money in various fixed deposits or recurring deposits. They set money-saving goals and schedules to attain more. You should seek out the ways that work best for you when refining and saving money. Several banks offer an opportunity to create a separate savings account with an automatic withdrawal feature. Number 3, they read to lead. Reading is important. Successful people read for pleasure, and with their reading habits, they eventually attain insights and knowledge. Of course, reading for pleasure boosts your career, and several important life lessons help you think more productively. If you didn't know, Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people, has a reading habit and considers it his key success as it helps him gain more knowledge. Number 2, they host a goal-oriented and inspiring network. Successful people have a network with people who have goals to achieve and are inspiring for them. They understand the value of exchanging ideas with one who values teamwork and collaboration. They surround themselves with inspiring and goal-oriented personalities as they inhibit similar habits from succeeding. If you don't boost motivated people around you, then you must have them. Number 1, they are self-disciplined. Surprised? How does a millionaire boost disciplinary habits? Discipline is the crucial habit everyone should follow, and self-discipline includes mastering yourself, disciplining yourself, controlling yourself, and others. They are the qualities that develop an individual as a person. It goes hand in hand with the success you own. Being result-driven, goal-oriented, health-conscious, honest, and self-disciplined is beneficial for all the years of life ahead. Whoever or whatever you will be in the future will be because of your habits. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Support us by sharing and liking the video. For more videos, stay tuned and make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Otherwise, you are missing out.